Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this ultimate fine gear changes everything. Check this out if you love smart solutions. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this ultimate fine gear changes everything. Check this